to set up a main stack environment to develop some web application. A main stack is nothing but M stands for Mongo database, a database used to store all our data, and Express, E stands for Express, it's a framework to build application, and Angular is a JavaScript framework, and Node is a server-side application. So here, we are using a combination of different, these are all open source applications, so we can get them free online. So what I have done is first install them. So first we have to install node.js from the website, and what I have done here is so I have created a folder called node projects and an application name. So here you can see the server.js for here. So first what I have done is this is the code for that. So here I'm using a couple of things. So after doing the server.js, I've created a index.html. So here's the whole thing. Our main application is going to be, or what are the things we need to have in the application. All the things will be there in this thing, index.html. So once we set up, so I would also show how after setting the node.js, I was writing a server side thing. Then next we have to go see you have to install the Express. So the command for the Express installation is npm install Express. So once you have done it, so Express is installed, then what you have to do is run the node server. So here you can see running the node server. Once everything is all set up, the server running on port 300. So we are good now. After that, once everything is set up, I can show a sample Hello World application has been running in the node.js. Sorry, a small interruption. So here, after the Hello World, so that's a initial thing which I have done. So once we have set up the Express and the node testing, then we have to go for Angular, so which will be helpful for us to insert the information. For all we have to do to go for the angular.org and then get a link over there. Angular is a framework developed by Google actually. So you can see this helps us to implement Angular over here. So what's the next important thing? We are going to setting up the Mongo database. So here you can see our database is running. So the MongoD, you can see waiting for the connection on the port 27017. So that says that our Mongo database is successfully running. So after all this, once we run this thing, so this is a sample application. So here we can give a lot of things over here. We can give a company just a product information, their pricing, and all the stuff. So this is completely a simple Hello World application. You can consider more than a Hello World application, but we can do a lot of things using this. This is really useful atmosphere for developing web applications. I think you can do a lot of things over here, but actually this is my first. I'm a beginner with all these things, so I have really learned a lot of things. I see that MeanStack is really interesting and really helpful and prosperous environment to develop web applications. So whatever, this is some basic thing which I have done over here. The next time we can go deep into it and make a real world application. Thank you very much guys for watching the video. If you have any doubts, can you post in the comment section, and we would really love to learn more. what I have done. Thank you very much.